Hi, isn't it funny? I can sit here in my car, take out my phone, and check out the weather in California right now. But if I have to find out whether there's pressure in my car tires, I'll have to get down from the car, go around to each one of them, and check it myself. There has got to be an easier way. And maybe what's in this brown box should help us out. Let's see what's inside. Today we are looking at a TPMS or a Tyre Pressure Monitoring System. This generic looking brown box is what I got, and let's take a look at what's inside. We have got some fancy stickers which seem to show front, left, rear, right. Okay, these are the markers for the 4 wheel positions. There's a nice skid proof mat for keeping the sensor, and we've got instructions as well as how to fix it into the tire as well. And that's the display, the one which will show you your tire pressure. It's got a nice solar panel also on top, so probably it's powered by solar light, which is good. I wonder if there are any batteries. Yeah, we've got a micro USB here, so it can also be recharged. And we've got 2 buttons. So this will go on top of the skid proof mat. They've given us this 4 air valves and spanner specifically for this. Well, this is of course the micro USB, nothing fancy. You connect them over here to keep it charged, and of course the tire pressure sensors. So we would have to fix them to each of these valves and mount them into the tires. This prevents them from being stolen. So you also have the types which directly go on top of the tire, but I've heard that they get stolen fast. As you can see, each of them are marked. This one says LF, which is left front, and this one is right front, and the other 2 are of course for the rear. That's pretty much it. Since this is a in-tire sensor, you'll have to remove all the tires and deflate them, and also install the sensors inside the wheelbase like this. The nozzle where you fill in the air, that has to be screwed into each of the sensors, so make sure that you also note down which sensor is in which wheel. As you can see now that this one is filled up for the rear left one. As it's getting filled, I could see that the display was updating the tire pressure. So a quick visit to the tire shop, and I got the sensors installed on all the 4 tires. The entire process didn't take long, about half an hour totally. And I also got a wheel balancing done while I was at it, because each of the sensors which is mounted on each of the tires has a little bit of weight, so I wanted to ensure that everything is aligned well. So you might want to do that as well. He charged me about $500 for the entire thing, which is I guess fine for the amount of effort he put in. And I've been driving with it for an entire day now. The adhesive pad which came with the TPMS, the Tyre Pressure Monitoring System, it sits right on top of my dashboard, and I have mounted the TPMS on it as well. It's showing me the pressure and it's showing me the temperature of all 4 tires. So it's very nice, and so far I've already gotten used to it. And if I had to pick out some complaint, I would say one thing, that it's not too bright. The display is not too bright. So when it's really bright, I need to squint a little bit to look at the pressure, to look at the display rather. But yeah, I think that's a very small complaint. Otherwise, very happy with this. If you do want to get one of this TPMS, we have a link down in the description that will take you to a special offer on a TPMS on Amazon and other sites as well. So I'm going to keep my eyes on the road. See you. Bye bye.
Make sure to like this video and also subscribe to the channel. Also make sure to click on the notification bell to be informed when new videos are added.